actually want to kick it off with a question to Jeff. Curious, like if you could kind of share our journey today and what you're seeing from the product and engineering side in this DVLED category.
Sure. I think where the industry was, when you typically traditionally think of a LED video wall, you kind of think of sports arenas, shopping malls, Las Vegas, where you have these huge monstrous screens. And obviously that comes with a huge price tag. The product category that we're in is actually an all-in-one direct view LED. And what that's done is it's basically a self-contained unit. So there's a lot less customization or labor involved in the installation of it. So it's pretty much ready out of the box, where you can mount the thing on the wall or on a stand, and you're ready to go. And you can get a much larger screen than you can get with a traditional panel. So with that flexibility and the cost being a lot lower, it's become a lot more accessible to more and more customers. So if you do want a 231-inch screen, it's something that you can easily and conveniently purchase for a reasonable price, and installation's relatively easy. I know Ma's going to talk more about that. And you can have something that's a showstopper as people walk by your lobby, or even in an executive boardroom or anywhere like that.